Hi guys, I created this simple and easy Indian wedding guest makeup look. Keep on watching to know how to get this look. So first off, I moisturize my face with the Guerlain Abeille Royale Watery oil, and yeah, I just dabbed it all over my face and neck. And then I used the PAC Pore Primer and massaged it in my problem areas where I have a few open pores. That is my T-zone, my nose, and the areas around my nose. And then I let it sink in for about 1-2 minutes before going ahead with the concealer and corrector. Next I took the PAC brush in 256 and the MAC Conceal and Correct palette in medium deep, and I used the yellow and orange corrector, mix of both under my eyes, and blended it all in with the brush. And then I took the concealer from the same palette and applied it under the eyes and little bit on my problem areas. And just the balance rest of it on the brush, applied it just like that. I used the Givenchy Matissime Velvet foundation, which is one of the new launch, and I'm taking the PAC 353 Duo Fiber brush, and I just dotted it with the brush all over my face, and then I will blend it in. It's a nice brush for foundation and blends in really well. The shade looks slightly light for me, but with the bronzer and with some time it settles to match my skin. And also don't forget the neck, the jawline and neck. And then I took the Mirinesse soft blur powder and set my under eye area basically, and just use the balance left in the brush all over the face. And then taking the Sugar Contour de Force Vivid Victory palette, I took the bronzer, which is a very light bronzer. I just used it to warm up the face. You don't get a sharp contour or a bronzed effect with this. It's a very light bronzer, and I just warmed up the face a little bit. And yeah, also the neck. And then taking the pink blush from the same palette, I added in the blush. I love this blush. It's like super pretty and gives a healthy, nice, flushed look to your cheeks and face. And then taking the highlighter from the same palette, I added it in a C form on the top parts of my face, which includes the nose, forehead and cupid's bow. And then I took the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer to take away all the powderiness and set my face. And then for my eyebrows, I'm taking the PAC Eyeshadow palette and the shade Chocolate with an angled brush, and I had to speed this up because this will take a little longer. I had to also cut down the footage because filling in eyebrows with a powder takes a little longer, and you can see the difference in both the eyebrows here. And whenever I use a powder shadow, I set it. I'm using the Pixi and Aspen clear brow gel to set my eyebrows. And for my eyeshadow now, I'm taking the PAC Canvas Shadow Primer and PAC Brush in 274 to just blend it all in. Then I'm taking the Avon True Eyeliner in Cosmic Brown and just smudging it roughly on the lower lash line, and then blending it to get rid of the harsh effect. Then I'm taking the third gold shade from the PAC Sprinkle palette and using it all over my lids, dabbing it softly, and also taking it in the inner corners and inner 1/3 part of the lower lash line. And then taking the plummy pink shade from the same sprinkle palette, I am using it on the outer half and also the outer 1/3 part of the lower lash line. And then taking the Lakme Absolute Illuminating Palette in Desert Rose, I am taking the matte brown shade and adding it in my crease, and so that there are no harsh lines. And cleaning all the fallout here. And then I'm taking this coppery shade, the second shade, and adding it at the center just for like added pop of shimmer. I line my eyes off camera with the Faces Ultime Pro Matte Eyeliner, and here I'm using the MAC Modern Twist Kajal in Cat's Meow for my waterline and tight lining. And then I curl my lashes, and I'm using the Givenchy Noir Interdit mascara. This is a new mascara and I love this wand. The curved wand gives absolutely amazing lashes. It lifts the lashes immediately. And for my lower lashes, I'm using the Pixi and Aspen Lower Lash Mascara. I love this one too. It's beautiful for the lower lashes. And I'm adding a little bit of more highlight. I'm using the Becca Champagne Pop with the PAC 258 fan brush. Highlighter makes me so happy. And a little bit of highlighter had come off when I was taking out the fallout. So yeah, and anyway I add a little bit more for that pop. I'm using the PAC Retro Matte Gloss in Broken Heart. And yeah, it's a beautiful shade. I love Broken Heart and Rose Tea from the new launches, the new shade editions. This is a gorgeous shade. And yeah, that's it. We are done with this look. It's an easy peasy look which you can do in 10 to 15 minutes whenever you're attending any Indian wedding. You can mix and match the shades for your eyes. I used gold and pink and a little bit of copper. You can use any shade that matches your outfit. Gold and pink are like pretty universal and go with most of the Indian outfits. And I had curled my hair, like I created natural curls by braiding my hair overnight, that is no heat curls, and I added an embellished headband. And that's it. I hope you like this look. I really like how it turned out. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and I hope you have subscribed to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting notified of all the new videos. And yeah, thank you for watching. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.